Looking for a smart projector that's compact yet very bright with good colors? Check out the Dangbei Atom Laser Projector. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba. Welcome back to my channel. Please consider subscribing if you like useful tech for the family like me. In today's video, let's check out the Dangbei Atom Laser Projector. It's compact and portable, yet very bright with good colors. It also runs Google TV with licensed Netflix and access to thousands of other apps. The outer housing has a metallic gray finish with a wraparound grille for cooling, giving it an industrial vibe. It comes in a nice white box. Opening the lid, there's the projector. Under this divider, a remote. Good batteries are included, a power supply, and a good manual. The Atom projector is sleek and compact at 7.7 inches by 7.7 inches and just 1.87 inches thick. Looks and size close to an older Mac Mini. Weighs just 2.82 pounds, making it very portable. The outer housing has a metallic gray finish with a wrapped around grille for cooling, giving it an industrial vibe. The front houses the ALPD laser lens and sensors for autofocus and auto keystone. It's native 1080p with a bright 1200 ISO lumens output, bright enough for a semi-lit room. There are two 5-watt speakers with Dolby Audio built in on the side. Bluetooth connectivity is supported, so they can work as Bluetooth speakers as well. In the back, there is an HDMI 2.1 port with eARC support, an USB-A 2.0 port, a 3.5mm audio jack, and a power input. On the bottom, there is a threaded mount that fits tripods for easy setup. It's compact and sleek, sturdy, and feels premium. No other control buttons on the projector, just the power button. The remote control has all the controls. There is power, Google Voice Assistant, navigation wheel, back, menu, home, volume up and down, and 3 app shortcut keys, YouTube, Netflix, and Prime Video. On the side, there's a red button for manual and autofocus, and a black button for projector setup and mute. The remote is easy to hold and use. Too bad it's not backlit though. Let's set the projector up and see how well it works. Here I have it set up on a tripod, pointing at a 100-inch screen about 8.5 feet away. The room is currently dimly lit, yet the image is still bright enough, better than most compact projectors. Let me turn the lights all the way off. Yep, the image gets even better with vibrant colors. The ALPD technology solves the speckle and color fringing issues, making the image cleaner and sharper. Let's see how well the auto keystone correction and autofocus works when the projector is moved around. To me, these are important features for a portable travel projector since I will be moving it from room to room or place to place often. Focus is adjusted quickly and accurately. Great. There it goes. Keystone is corrected to get a good rectangular image. Dangbei Atom runs Google TV, which is very convenient for streaming shows and movies without any external input source or dongle attachments needed. The interface is smooth and snappy. Netflix is fully licensed. Prime Video, Disney Plus, Max, YouTube TV, YouTube, of course, are all available. There are also thousands of apps in the Google Play Store to choose from. Let's try one of my videos. Looking for quality straps to change up your Apple Watch Ultra? Check out these two from Robust, a rugged leather strap and a sleek titanium band. Hi, this is David. Image looks good. Sound is loud enough to fill the room. How about a HDR video? colors and highlights are vibrant with good depth. Great. Of course, the kids and I also love to play games on the big screen. Just plug the switch into the HDMI port on the back. Gaming is smooth with low latency. The Dangbei Atom laser projector retails for $899, but there are good discounts on it these days. I'll put a discount link in the description below. It's compact, easy to move around and set up, yet very bright, certainly outshines other portable budget projectors. It's perfect for watching TV, movies, or playing games on a big screen around the house or when we travel. There's one feature the Dangbei Atom doesn't have though. It doesn't have a built-in battery. If you need a portable projector with a built-in battery, I check out these two from Anker Nebula. They're not as bright, but do have the convenience of a built-in battery. I'll put a link to a video on them in the description as well. Do you need a built-in battery in your portable projector? Have you found an even better compact projector? Share with us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and check out this video next. I'll see you in that next one. Until then, remember to cherish each moment.